After cleaning the inside of the ice maker, place it on a stable, level surface. Open the lid and remove the ice basket. Pour drinking water into the water tank. Do not fill above the max line. Reinstall the ice basket. And close the lid. Plug in the unit, and press the power button to turn it on, and it will start making ice. Press the ice size selection button to select the desired ice cube size. The corresponding size indicator will light up. When the ice basket is full, the ice full indicator will light up and the ice making process will stop automatically. Open the lid and use the ice scoop to remove some ice cubes. And the ice full indicator will turn off, and the unit will resume making ice automatically. During the ice making process, if the water is insufficient, the add water indicator will light up to remind you to add water. Make sure there is enough water in the water tank. Press the power button to turn off the unit to enter standby mode. In standby mode, press and hold the power button for more than 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning cycle. During the self-cleaning cycle, the two ice size indicators will flash alternately. The self-cleaning cycle takes approximately 30 minutes. Press the power button to exit the self-cleaning cycle manually. After cleaning, drain all the water through the drain outlet at the bottom of the unit. Move the unit to the edge of a countertop and place a container underneath. Remove the bottom drain plug to drain the dirty water. After draining, push the drain plug back into place.